Okay, a little bit of basic maths to go through then. I'm just going to be working with integers. However, you can do maths with other numbers as well. Actually, there will be a little bit of floats as well because we're going to do some dividing too. So very basic maths just to show things working. Let's just do int x equals 10, int y equals 15, int answer is going to equals x plus y. Debug.log, oh not error, debug.log answer. Okay, so this is how you add numbers together with a plus. I think what we'll do as well is we'll do a little x plus y. It's going to get, let's do, ooh, it's going to look fancy. Now let's do answer equals x minus y. X minus y equals answer, and then answer equals x divided by y. Okay, let's play. Oh, whoops. There you go. What's that? X plus y, 25, correct. X minus y, minus 5. Divided by y, 0. Interesting. It's because it's an integer, not a float, so it can't give us any decimal places. And x times y equals 150. Perfect. So that's some basic multiplication. Let's do instead now, and in fact, let's change all these over to float, float, float. And in fact, instead of doing answer now, we're going to do, we don't need answer, we're just going to say x plus equals y. Oh, what am I doing? Don't need to declare x again. So x plus equals y. Let's change. Oh no, it's still x plus y, but then we're going to out x. Now let's do x minus equals y. Oh, and let's reset x real quick. X equals 10. X equals 10. X divide equals y. Output x. X equals 10. X times equals y. And that's output x. So minus equals and whatnot, it just means take this value and minus it. Have that one planned. You'll see when we do the maths. Here you go. There we go. So the exact same still works, but we've got rid of a variable and it's floats now, so we can see the remainder, the decimal number, which is great. So that is how you would do some basic maths.